Hi, I'm Avik from Cod's Gift in Dural. Today we are making spanner crab and Wasabi Benedict with Cornwall's white vinegar. For the hollandaise sauce, we are using 4 egg yolks. Whisk over pot with simmering water. Add lemon juice, some sea salt, pinch of white pepper, and half tablespoon of wasabi. Whisk mixture until it's thick and pale. And then slowly add melted butter. Once the emulsion is established, it will begin to thicken. For the poached eggs, we're using Cornwall's white vinegar. Once we bring the water to boil, we simmer it down and then we're cracking our eggs, and it will take about 2.5 to 3 minutes. So we got some English muffin here, butter on both sides, and then toasting it. So I've got some wild caught spanner crab from Queensland. It's never enough, so put plenty. And then warm it up. There you go, perfect. Nice soft poached eggs on the top. Generous amount of hollandaise sauce. Beautiful. It has got a bit of kick from the wasabi, which complements the crab very well. So to finish, put some nigella seeds, some pea shoots, and some flour. Here is my take on traditional eggs Benedict with spanner crab sauce from Queensland.